Can we replay disappearing photos and videos on Instagram? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to AppHacks. In today's video, we'll talk about if we can replay disappearing photos and videos on Insta. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you will need to have the updated version of Instagram. So if you're not updated, simply head over to your app store and update. After that, you can open up your Instagram. And after you open up your Instagram, simply head over to your DMs. After you're on your DMs, there you should see the photos and videos. If that's the case, what you'll need to do is open the video or photo. So as you can see, this is the first photo. So if I just go back, there is a replay option. Since this is allow replay featured video, so if I tap on it again, I will be able to view it. But that's the case here. It's a replay once video. So the other photo or video that I'm going to show you is a disappearing photo. So if I tap on it again, I'll just be able to see it once. After that, there is no option to actually replay it. So yeah, you cannot actually replay it no matter what you do. It's what Instagram's policies are for. So I hope this answers your question. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.